Founded in 2007, Fasten Fix Company is specialized in the production and sale of riveting products. The products include Blind Rivet, Rivet Nut, self-clinching fasteners, welding studs, and riveting tools. The company passed the ISO TS 16949 International Quality System certification in 2009. It's a standard factory of the automobile industry. All raw materials of Fasten Fix are from large domestic steel mills, such as Shanghai, Bao Steel, Liaoning, Anshan Steel, and Hebei Jing Steel. All raw materials are produced and purchased in strict accordance with the requirements of material grade. Each batch of purchased raw material would accept entrance inspection, thus ensuring that the raw materials fully meet the production requirements. Fasten Fix has 110 sets of production equipment, of which 80% are introduced from Taiwan, Italy, and Germany. The factory carries out rigorous management to the overall production process according to ISO 9001 certification system. The company has 4 production lines, and each line is equipped with a management team of 10 to 15 personnel, so as to implement step management on the whole production process, namely cold heading, forming, thread rolling, heat treatment, combination, electroplate, inspection, package. Fasten Fix has complete inspection equipment and a high-quality inspection team. The company has 12 inspection equipment, including auto filter machine, tensile machine, coating thickness machine, sclerometer, torsional dynamometer, altimeter, and salt spray tester. The inspection includes the following 3 steps. Firstly, production process detection. Inspect whether the product data meet the requirements in the cold heading and forming phase. Secondly, semi-finished product detection. Inspect the product sizes. Thirdly, finished product detection. Test the mechanical properties of the product, surface electroplating, and riveting test. Relying on the professional testing team, our product inspection ensures us to provide customers with 100% non-defective products. Ensure the product quality. Fasten Fix has an inventory of 400 tons of common products, including aluminum and stainless steel, steel copper blind rivet, rivet nut, welding studs, and self-clinching products. The inventory products have been 3,000 kinds, which ensures our timely delivery ability in urgent need. Moreover, our monthly production capacity about 500 tons, which ensures us to fully meet the customer's demands. With our year's experience of importing and exporting, we can control the delivery period within 7 to 15 days, thus greatly reducing the customer's pressure on the inventory. More than 10 years of development, our products have been exported to most countries in the world, which include the developed countries and the developing countries along the One Road, One Belt, such as the United States, Germany, France, Britain, India, Russia, and Mexico. Finally, we welcome to cooperate with friends from all over the world. Based on the 10 years of production and manufacturing ability, we will provide customers with professional products and technical services.